हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एमिट एजुकेशन। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चंस की चैप्टर वाइज। इससे पहले जो हमने वीडियो बनाया था उसके अंदर हमने लास्ट ईयर्स के सारे चैप्टर्स का एक साथ हमने कंक्लूड किया था। नाउ वी सी द प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 4, that is CWSN. So I hope so this video also is helpful as was the previous one. So let's start without any delay. So basically we cover the last 10-year questions, or the question will be asked again and again. And this question and this chapter is highly weighted, and from this chapter 4 mark question is also asked. It means CBQ based question. So first one is, what are the types of disability, explained in briefly. So this question is asked in the 1819 के अंदर. So types of disability, like we have the physical type of disability, intellectual type of disability, cognitive types of disability, and in the particular physical we have the some many types like amputation, dwarfism, like that. What do you understand by the physical disability? The physical disability means when a person has the restriction or hindrance in their physical movement. It means कि वो particular person properly किसी भी वजह से physical activity नहीं कर पाएगा, या physical activity करने में उसको कोई भी दिक्कत होगी. That is known as the physical disability. What do you mean by intellectual disability? So see, first one is types of disability. And types of disability, we have the physical one related to the physical. Intellectual means related to mind. Related to mind. When a person having suffering from the intelligence, they have lack of knowledge, IQ level. So that is about the intellectual disability. What are the benefits of physical activities for children with special needs? It means if we perform any physical disability activity, so the physical activities are helpful in what's kind like that. If a special child person play any game, so physical development, cognitive development, social enhancement, like one. So these are the benefit. So these are the four questions that are asked in the 1819 in 2 mark, 2 mark, and the 3 mark. Now come to the 2020. We come in a sequence. Okay, so in 2020, we have the MCQ type questions. So cognitive disability may be cause difficulty in which of the following activity: reading, writing, mathematics, all of the above. Okay, so this is very easy question. Cognitive related to your mind or intellectual disability. So वहां पे क्या चीज नहीं कर पाएगा, कहाँ पे डिफिकल्टी होगी, मीन्स all of these के अंदर. दिस इज हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन यू सी कि हम कितनी बार इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे, बार बार हर जगह पे क्वेश्चन आएगा. सो इस क्वेश्चन को आप बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं कर सकते. हाउ फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज आर हेल्पफुल फॉर चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड, एक्सप्लेन स्ट्रेटेजीज टू मेक फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज एक्सेसिबल फॉर देम. इट मीन्स कि फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज हम परफॉर्म करते हैं, वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज स्पेशल चाइल्ड के लिए किस तरह से हेल्पफुल रहेंगी. सेकेंड वन, हम क्या स्ट्रेटेजी बना सकते हैं जो स्पेशल चाइल्ड को हेल्प कर सकता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट दैट, एंड सेम क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड इन मेनी टाइम्स इन 3 mark or in the 5 mark. So this is very important question. Next one is, define disability and list down any types of disability. So the same question is repeat of 1819 types of disability. Here is define disability. So disability means any person having any difficulty to do any task or as compared to normal person, जो वो वहां पे नहीं कर पाएगा, it is known as the disability. List down any two types of disability: the physical one, mental one, intellectual and cognitive one. So these are the types of physical disability. Next one, see, again with the same question, list down any two strategies to make physical act accessible for CWSN in 2 mark. So that's why I say this question is very important. So in this you have to write the strategies. So there are the many strategies are there, that how the activities, how the persons who are suffering from the any kind of disability will feel good. So like we make the environment good, we modify the rules of the games, we design the new technique, we design the new rules, we design the new equipment. So these are the strategies. Explain cognitive disability along with its symptom. So cognitive disability is about the intellectual one, about the related to the mind, जहां पे person properly सोच नहीं सकता हो या उसका IQ लेवल वहां पे कम होगा. So this is about the cognitive disability. So this question is of 3 mark. Next one. Move to the 22, 23. So again we have the MCQ, watching other play and enjoy, which in turn to motivation a child with special need to participate in part of which kind of strategy. बच्चों को देखना, ये बच्चों को देख के मोटिवेट होना, किस तरह की एक्टिविटी है, हम एक्टिविटी कहाँ कर रहे हैं, सोशली कर रहे हैं. सो इट मीन्स इट इज दी सोशली. फर्स्ट, developing games were organized in the year. We have the 3 kind of organization in this chapter. We have the Deaflympic, we have the Paralympic, and we have the Special Olympic. Deaflympic are the started the first time in the year 1924 at the Paris. अभी करंटली जो ओलंपिक हुए थे कहाँ पे हुए थे, 2024 के अंदर पेरिस में. उससे 100 साल पहले कहाँ पे हुए थे, पेरिस में. और पेरिस में ही 1924 में, अब से 100 साल पहले कहाँ स्टार्ट हुए थे, डेफलम्पिक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, पार्टिसिपेशन इन फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज एडवांटेज फॉर चिल्ड्रन स्पेशल नीड, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन यानी 6 एडवांटेज. सेम क्वेश्चन को यहाँ पे हमने लैंग्वेज चेंज करके पूछा गया है कि फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो बच्चे को क्या एडवांटेज होगा. सो कोई भी 6 एडवांटेज आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करने होंगे. सो लाइक हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया, फिजिकल, मेंटल, सोशल इंटरेक्शन होगा वहां पे, उसको फियर नहीं होगा, फील कंफर्टेबल, feel good, like that one. Next one is in relation to the picture. Highly important question because यहाँ से 2 ही क्वेश्चन आपको बनेंगे, या तो CBQ में, या तो बनेगा आपको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेस बनेगा, ये थ्योरेटिकल बेस बनेगा, एक्टिविटीज के रिगार्डिंग बनेगा. सो सी सबसे पहले हम चेक कर लेते हैं पिक्चर बेस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो वी हैव 3 पिक्चर. सो फर्स्ट वन, दिस पिक्चर इज ऑफ पैरालंपिक, दिस वन इज डेफलंपिक. सो डेफलंपिक में सुन नहीं सकते, क्या कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. सो आई जस्ट ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ आई. सो इस बिकम दिस इज द साइन ऑफ आइरिस, कि वो सुन नहीं पाएंगे, देख पाएंगे. दिस वन इज द स्पेशल ओलंपिक, सब स्पेशल है तो एक दूसरे के साथ में खड़े हुए हैं. फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी मीन्स पैरालंपिक. सपोज करो ये जो साइन आपको दिख रहे हैं ये शूज की तरह है, हमने आर्टिफिशियल लेग्स को यहाँ पे यूज किया. सो लोगो शो इन पिक्चर रेफर्स टू स्पेशल ओलंपिक मीन्स C picture refers to the Special Olympic. Who was the founder of Special Olympic? Eunice Kennedy Shriver is the founder of the Special Olympic. Eunice Kennedy Shriver. She is the sister of the John F. Kennedy, who was the ex-president of the USA. Next one, according to figure B, this is figure B, the hand shape of OK, good, great, that overlap each other other than a circle represent the original sign of four. यहाँ पे आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि जो ये हैंड शेप है, सपोज ये हैंड्स हैं और एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप कर रहे हैं, वहां पे किसका साइन बना रहे हैं, ओके का, गुड का, ग्रेट का. दिस इज द मोटो ऑफ दिस लोगो. सो ये किसका लोगो, ये लोगो होगा हमारा डेफलंपिक्स का. दिस इज डेफलंपिक. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट इन द फर्स्ट पैरालंपिक गेम्स. सो 13 in the year 1960. So this question about the Paralympic. Next one. So next one we have the picture. So this is of the Deaflympic. Then we have the Special Olympic. So first question is, what is the mission of the first organization? So what is that? The mission of Special Olympic. So Special Olympic is this one. So mission of Special Olympic is to provide round year training. Round year training. It means Special Olympic का जो मोटो होगा, जो मिशन होगा, वो हमारा रहता है कि completely पूरे साल उनको वहां पे पार्टिसिपेट करना. Then motto of the first organization. So what is the motto? हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, इक्वली यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, इक्वलिटी थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स. Until 1965, in the second picture, games were known as. अब see, यहाँ पे जो picture वो reverse है. This is A and this is B. So this one, we talking about the this game. This is picture A, this is picture B. Until 1965, the game in the second picture were also known as Deaf Olympic Games, earlier known as the silent games. And the motto of Special Olympics. See, the very good motto of this organization. You can write it down. Let me win. Let me win. But if I cannot win, let me brave in the attempt. So this is very good motto of this organization कि या तो मुझे जीतने दीजिए, अगर मैं जीत नहीं सकता तो मुझे वो अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए मुझे क्या मिले, मुझे वो ब्रेव मिले. So this is the motto of the Special Olympic. Second picture games are conducted after every year. We're talking about this one, Deaf Olympic. So Deaf Olympic game and the Paralympic games are conducted every 4 year, and Special Olympic games are conducted every year. So next one, question number 15. Create a mind map of any four strategies. Again, we talking about this strategy. So in this chapter, the question is the question is about the strategies. Again and again, we're talking about the strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special need. Sometimes the question is asked in 3 marks. Sometimes question is asked in 5 mark. So what is strategy? Like again, interest in 5 marks. So we can explain interest one. We have to develop the activities based on their interest, timely medical checkup, communication, equipment, and many more. So these are the some things that we can make the strategies according to that. 23, 24. These are latest questions. See, school management needs to recognize the essential place of physical activity in the education of children with special need. Which of this not the result of physical activities in children with special need? अब क्या नहीं होगा? We talking about the not. So every time see, if question is talking about the not or yes, so improvement in confidence means positive. Improvement in confidence, yes, true. Better head-eye coordination, true. Which one is false? Increase in depression. Depression increase नहीं होगा. Depression क्या होगा? Increase होना चाहिए. IPC. So IPC is International Paralympic Committee is formed in the year 1989. 22nd September 1989 तो क्या हुआ था? IPC फॉर्म हुआ था, इंटरनेशनल पैरालंपिक कमेटी. And IPC is responsible for conducting the Winter Paralympic Game and the Winter and the Summer Paralympic Game. Which is the main governing body responsible for the organization of the Deaf Olympic? So we have the ICSD, International Committee Sports for the Deaf. So this is option number D is the correct, ICSD. One more question, MCQ format. Again, we're talking about the advantage. So write any two advantages of physical activities. So you have to write any activities that is beneficial for the special child. Again, this question asked in the 23-24 means this question, these two questions are very, very important. Advantage and the strategies. Lastly, this question also asks explain three strategies that is beneficial accessible for the CWSN. Next one, CBQ based question. So, few years the question is asked about the organization, or sometimes the question is asked in the this format. So, what is that question? School management needs to recognize the essential place of physical activity in the education of children with special need in order to develop lifelong habit for fitness and provide them with many opportunities. Socialization school need to understand the physical education is not a secondary subject, but is just important as the other skills. So very good paragraph is given about the physical education. So on the basis of the picture, we have to given the answer. So what is that? See, first question is development of gross motor skill. Development of gross motor and fine motor skills are benefit benefit which part of? So answer is physical benefit. Answer is physical benefit. If the we perform the fine gross motor and fine motor skills, so उससे क्या benefit होगा? The physical benefit. So related to the health. Graded activities as strategy for effective inclusive fishing program include. So whenever we doing any activity, the activity should be simple to complex. Simple to कॉम्प्लेक्स कि हमारे कैसे होने चाहिए, सिंपल से। हम कभी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स से सिंपल की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स में जाएंगे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल चाइल्ड। सो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स, एंड इट शुड बी द वन एक्शन एक्टिविटी, जो हम एक एक्शन में इसको फिनिश कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर एक्टिविटीज शुड बी डिस्टर्बेंस फ्री, so like noise, heat, cold, texture of floor, audience, etc. So that is we talking about the space or the environment. Next one is the activities that include running, jumping, hopping, glepping, rolling, leaping, and the dosing horizontal jump slide are the locomotor activity. Which activity are these? These are the locomotor activity. Next one. This question is asked the last year in the 4 mark. This is about the tabular informative question is given. So this very very easy question. Just you have to read this table, and this about the inclusive setup, like we compare the normal child and with the special child. So let's see the question. As per the above table, space event there is no participation of special child. So we can see in special child category in long jump there is no participation. So we can directly write it down. Long jump is our right answer. Participation of students with disabilities in regular physical education is known as the inclusive education. वो कौन सी education होगी जो किसके लिए रहती है? Participation of students with disabilities in regular physical education classes known as the inclusive education. Inclusive education. Next one, enlist any two strategies. Again, we're talking about the strategies. Motto of Special Olympic. So motto of Special Olympic is let me win, but if cannot win, let me brave in the attempt. Motto of Paralympic is spirit in motion. Spirit in motion is the right answer in the motto of the Paralympic. So these are the questions that are asked in the previous year, and these are very very important questions, and I hope so you understand properly. So if you have still any doubt, you drop the message in the group, and these are the chapter wise questions that asked in the last 10 years, and is a highly weighted question, and from this chapter CBQ based question are asked. So thank you so much. If you liked our video, please share it with your friends, and this is the peak time for examination. So do practice hard, do your best, attempt all the questions without any hesitation. And if you still any doubt, approach your teachers and give your best. Thank you.